your complete guide to FHA 203K renovations in Philadelphia. Welcome to MatrixGC.com, Philadelphia's #1 203K contractor. If you've ever dreamed of turning a fixer-upper into your forever home, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the FHA 203K renovation loan and how our team at MatrixGC makes the process simple, stress-free, and exciting. What is a 203K loan? The FHA 203K loan is a special mortgage program backed by HUD. It allows you to buy or refinance a home and roll the cost of renovations into one single loan. Instead of juggling multiple loans or draining your savings, you get one affordable monthly payment that covers both the purchase and the improvements. The two types of 203K loans. There are two main types. First, the limited 203K, perfect for smaller projects like kitchens, bathrooms, or roofing. As of 2025, the limit has been raised to $75,000. Second, the standard 203K, designed for bigger projects, structural changes, full renovations, or even building an addition. Benefits of a 203K loan. Here's why so many Philadelphians love this program. One loan, one payment. Low down payment, as little as 3.5%. Build equity quickly by increasing your home's value. Flexibility, from cosmetic upgrades to major additions. And it's more accessible than many conventional renovation loans. Who's on your team? You don't have to do this alone. A successful 203K project involves a few key players. A 203K consultant who inspects the property and prepares the work write-up. A realtor who helps you find the right home. A lender who provides the HUD-backed mortgage. And of course, a contractor. That's us. At MatrixGC, we've built strong relationships with consultants, lenders, and realtors who specialize in 203K projects. If you don't already have a team, no worries. We'll connect you with trusted professionals who know this process inside and out. Our in-house capabilities. What sets MatrixGC apart? We don't just build, we manage the entire journey. Our design team helps you visualize your dream space. We provide detailed estimates that meet HUD requirements. We handle permits with the City of Philadelphia. And yes, you can even use a 203K loan to build an addition. We'll show you how. Plus, we run a comparative market analysis and a feasibility study, so you know your renovation makes financial sense before you commit. Licensed and insured. Our service areas. MatrixGC is fully licensed and insured in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey. That means whether you're in Philadelphia, Bucks County, Montgomery County, Camden, Cherry Hill, or anywhere in between, we've got you covered. Our clients trust us because we bring peace of mind along with craftsmanship. The process. Step by step, here's how it works. Step 1, find a property. Step 2, meet with a consultant and our team to scope the project. Step 3, we run a feasibility study. Step 4, apply for your 203K loan with your lender. Step 5, we finalize designs and secure permits. Step 6, renovations begin with funds released in stages. Step 7, final inspection. And then, move into your dream home. Top 10 FAQs. Let's answer the 10 most common questions we hear about 203K loans. 1. What homes qualify? Any 1 to 4 unit property you'll live in? 2. Can I use it for an investment property? An FHA 203K loan is not allowed for pure investment properties. It's strictly for owner-occupied homes. However, there is a smart workaround. You can buy a 2 to 4 unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. That way, you're both meeting the FHA's occupancy requirement and creating an investment opportunity at the same time. 3. What's the difference between limited and standard? Limited is up to $75,000. Standard covers major renovations. 4. How long does it take? Usually 45 to 60 days to close plus renovation time. 5. Do I need a consultant? Yes, for standard projects. Optional for limited. 6. Can I do the work myself? No. HUD requires licensed contractors. 7. What credit score do I need? Most lenders look for a score in the 600 to 620 range. But if your score is a little lower, don't stress. We'll guide you through practical steps and connect you with resources to help you improve your eligibility and move forward with confidence. 8. Can I add an addition? Absolutely, with a standard 203K. 9. What if costs go over budget? Contingency reserves are built into the loan. 10. Why choose MatrixGC? Because we're Philadelphia's #1 203K contractor with in-house design, estimating, permitting, and a trusted network of experts. Why MatrixGC? Here's why homeowners trust us. We've completed dozens of successful 203K projects across Philadelphia and South Jersey. We know the quirks of Philly row homes, zoning laws, and permits. We provide full-service support from CMA to final inspection. And most importantly, we treat every project like it's our own home. The FHA 203KI loan is more than financing. It's a pathway to transforming a house into your dream home. And in a city like Philadelphia, where history and opportunity meet on every block, it's a game changer. At MatrixGC, we're proud to be the #1 203K contractor in Philadelphia, fully licensed and insured in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Whether you're planning a kitchen upgrade, a full addition, or a complete renovation, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Contact us today at MatrixGC.com and let's start building your future together.